Hi, I'm Stephanie Black of Creepy Kawaii, and thank you for coming to my Kickstarter. For this Kickstarter, we're trying to fund Lilith, the Black Witch Moth. Now, Lilith draws inspiration from many different things. She is based on the Black Witch Moth itself, which you can see from her wing pattern. This is replicating the Black Witch Moth almost perfectly, with a few artistic embellishments. And she also has a fuzzy moth antenna and a fuzzy moth chest. Her fur right now is a dark color, but it will be more like this purple if and when we get it funded. We just have to source this out specifically to be able to match the artwork that I have made for her. Now, Lilith draws inspiration from her lore. She has many different types of lore. In Central America, she's actually, the Black Witch Moth is actually a bringer of ill tidings, a bringer of death, essentially. But in North American lore, she is a representation of good luck. If you see a Black Witch Moth, you'll have good luck. And in some areas, if you see a Black Witch Moth, it actually means that a departed loved one is coming to visit you. So that's always a good thing to have. And that fits in perfectly with Creepy Kawaii. A little bit of darkness, a little bit of light, creepy and cute. I think she's perfect for that. Now, Lilith will cost about $7,000 to fund, in which we are doing for this Kickstarter. And to be able to do so, I have lots of different Black Witch Moth and regular moth rewards down below that you can check out. Whether it's a moonlight dance candle or an enamel pin or one of the many stickers that I created for this campaign, there's something for all types of moth lovers. So once again, thank you for checking out this Kickstarter, and I hope you will help us fund Lilith. Thank you very much. Bye.